Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jason here. We're going to be replacing our trailer jack today with a swivel jack that we bought from Vevor. This one has gotten damaged multiple times off-road. So we're going to put one on that takes it up to the side to where it can't hit the ground. Okay guys, so we went ahead and removed our front jack that was bent. It took a little bit of massaging and hammering, but we got it off. So this is our swivel jack. Just pull this pin and it'll go 90 degrees either way. So this is the 15-inch. It's going to let it go pretty low, but it'll also give us, I think, a 15-inch rise. It's way more than we need, but with the big truck, it'll be helpful. So with our jack, it comes with 4 bolts and the nuts, 2 mounting brackets, your handle to move the jack, and I'm using some washers that I had for the hardware. You need a 14 millimeter wrench. You're gonna need a ratchet with a 14 millimeter socket, or you can just use 2 14 millimeter wrenches, just whatever you have to fit. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put my hardware together. Okay, so we've got all of our bolts started. So I'm gonna go ahead and see, kind of get it snug. I'm not gonna like super tighten them just yet. So I'm gonna let down on my jack so that this can go to the bottom and this raises up as high as it'll go. All right. So we know that it's on the base. tight these are, so they can still use some more tightening. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install the handle. And it does come with the washer. If you can tell, it's got flat sides on 2 pieces, and that fits into the slot in the handles. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and try this out. See how easily she cranks up. Very smooth. Let's do the base. I'm going to act like it's on the hitch. And there it goes, it's out of the way. So that works really well. This is the 2,500 pound Vevor Jack swivel that I think it's a 15-inch stroke. I think I got it on sale for like 43 bucks, so it was cheap enough to give it a shot and keep us from tearing the trailer up and making it way easier for us to use for the duration. Anyways, thanks for watching and liking the videos, guys. We appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.